So, Valor, say what's up? So, today we are going to be opening up this mystery. Yeah, I have no idea what these are called. They're like corn, banana, but then once you peel them, they're corn.
It's called Orb Odditeez. Fuzion Foodz.
Okay.
And you said that you saw this already on the commercial, right?
No, not on commercial. I said in like Target for $15, but we found this at the dollar store for $1. So yeah, we should open them.
Okay, can I start?
And there was only 2. A lot of people grabbed them because there was only 2. We wanted to buy like 5, but we could only get the 2 that they had left.
Okay, first let's open up this one. Oh yeah, they're different. Like there's different ones. Laura, let's open this one.
And then can we share that one?
Yeah, we have to share everything.
Okay.
Oh, this one's ripped already. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, so we open
That's
this.
so pretty. I know.
And then look. Hold on. So I'm not gonna show you yet. Just wait. Hold on. Let me just. Ow! It's sticky.
Don't let it
But I
get
said
to your
it
touch.
was so
Don't let it touch your
pretty. I
hair.
want to touch it badly.
Okay, wait.
No.
Wait, Valor, look. You need help? Okay. So this is how it works. It sticks to this rubber, whatever this is. It's sorry that's not. So you peel it like that, and you just it's like a banana texture thing. And it's just filled with glitter, and then you can also take it out of the.
Yeah, where's the special?
You can take it out of the case, but I want to.
And where's the secret item?
What secret item?
It says that there was a secret item in there, right? See how it says there's a mystery
No.
thing inside?
It says a mystery like top.
What?
So you don't know what's gonna be inside.
What?
You don't know what's gonna be.
I
inside
thought there's
the
a
banana
mystery
peel.
toy in there also.
No.
Oh, so that one we already knew it, and this one we don't know because this one's sealed up really well, right? See how blue bananas
Okay, I'm
peel
gonna
really well.
try taking this out carefully. Okay.
It's gonna be.
Oh wait, we can already tell because that one's gonna be a banana. This one's gonna be corn.
Laura, what is that?
Lord, is that corn? Say corn. Lord, shake
I
it.
thought that you could take the corn out or take that out and there's something inside there. Can I see that wrapper? Can I see the wrapper? Because I can show everybody why I thought that. The others.
No, look.
The reason why I thought that is because like, oh look it, you could get like a finger. Well, I thought that you were also gonna get like a little prize in there because it shows like a finger and like this little bubbly.
I like squishing onto the camera. Ooh.